I bet you just said Lionel Messi.
SOMPA Sports.
And the Saudi source closer to negotiations. Say a done deal. Messi airco. Or coin. Messi the ni edgem or Saudi Arabia. Now Anasa anyway. And Saudi Arabia.
Or Saudi.
And they say no. Or me no. Omoko to arrive by you so one answer day.
Sa pepe.
Good. Now I'll see a classroom kakrana. And your story be akeke. We need to go back and reflect on something. In 2018, the world geopolitical space was actually shaken by a 32-year-old young man, a friend of Mohammed bin Salman. Mohammed bin Salman, a crown prince of Saudi Arabia. Mohammed bin Salman, the nickname ankasa the MBS.
MBS.
Absolutely. Now, 2018, ohun sene papa emre na obefa akonya no. Otro the accelerated development program for Saudi Arabia. Otemino Vision 2030. Now Mohammed bin Salman Vision 2030 no encapsulated amongst other things the possibility of winning Saudi's economy from a petrol-dependent economy. The biggest oil company we are see, Aramco.
Okay.
Saudi Arabia for India. It's a very, very wealthy company. Now, Oba no say, or his in a reality corner, it will say, Drew Arabia, Omuyi Saudi Arabia, see Kenya, revenue, income, every petrol, because petrol, no, be beat missy. And to obey Oba created the Vision 2030 that would create a sovereign wealth of $2 trillion for the development of Saudi Arabia. Anywhere for the economics. And Sana Mohammed bin Salman, the Prime Minister of Saudi Arabia, not a head of Aramco, not a head of the Economic Development Authority, and then the head of security, minister in charge of those. Until the papa ne prepare no. Ade oye ma obi ayem hye no no. Oba ya okọ United States of America for almost 2 weeks. Osha Michael Bloomberg, we share Bill Clinton, we share look who Obia Jeff Bezos, Oshia Omuna. No coin no catch almost Saudi Arabia and Adani. And almost Nana man Timin Tricano. Obayana man Besha Trika.
Yes.
So Mohammed bin Salman actually decided to use this as an opportunity to create an image for the Western world. So this is the new Saudi Arabia. It is a new dawn. Or starting so yes Adnana, the Western press, led by the American press. See Ojai, Namokramo corrupt, Mufienu, Sikana Moria. And of our jeans, and of our t-shirts, and our shirt, and our Riyadh, the Ritz-Carlton Hotel. Oko here new Mamukaka no say the princes and the people around no bra mo bono ho no nye bra papa. Ochini nuanom ne nebusuafo bibire gum. Ochiomugum Mohammed bin Salman on corruption charges.
Oh, okay.
To send a signal out. Say even wo fie kra no
Now
you see, Saudi Arabia is a behemoth for the Islamic religion. But one of the key indicators around Mohammed bin Salman and Sebra, time now in charge of security no. On one of them quite some bomb Yemen for no. Why? Because when say Iran for a boy pion, Iran was becoming too powerful. Until Yemen be seen Saudi Arabia go so money. Nobody says anything. But as part of a new Saudi Arabia, ye free Aramco, the Arab American oil company no mbe say ombe renew maybe a bit memo monyeska other than petrol. I'm for Amaba Mecca for Hajj.
Yes.
And today no mobile because a Middle East now. They wanted to be the primate preponderant power. Just a tumikasi ono ayomo. Already kramusumne mo almost atumino. But already the workings of the regional. Now Iran for now be very powerful with their allies in Qatar, Lebanon, and other places. Until Mohammed bin Salman decided to purpose. Say obefani nuaba. Friend Haifa. Princess Haifa Al Saud. No I know Deputy Minister of Tourism. No Ashe or no Anadamfo. Ahmed El Khatib Nasi Ahmed El Khatib tourism minister and Haifa Al Saud no Obano onu mumie ni deputy small girl no mo trosa Saudi Tourism Development Authority program no mo say omo discover sha amanfo botom omo started hosting boxing bout o ma Jeff kan wasem wa.
Yes,
it was building to that level. So once Haifa Al Saud no Obano somebody in a picture man will be grateful onu no be mu no Oshia Messi. Yes. And the end result, and it's a Messi about Jeddah. Some will say Saudi Arabia, they mama and many mu, ya can't march which look at that. Sunglasses no.
Yes.
Fantastic. They were modernizing Saudi Arabia to the Western world.
Oh, okay.
Into one of the historic places. Anka how ba? Also Bema in a tour guide, not church or no more customer. Haifa Al Saud, deputy tourism minister, on an line of Messi and why? Near Kosovo, Dubai, near Kosovo, Abu Dhabi, near Kosovo, Doha, a year more time. So, Sika, now so Pesoba, holidays, our Middle Easter, baby also corner, and near Dubai, baby also corner near Abu Dhabi, baby also corner near Doha, baby also corner, Saudi Arabia, or more Riyadh, or more Medina. Or more Mecca. Look, I hear now uncle. So, as part of the accelerated program, let's go by the standards. Omako hunie kata for na yeno. 2030 na America ni na ano. Ekoko si ade ba akoso. Kwaku. Near Mohammed bin Salman Bayan World Cup closing ceremony na. One kata. Emie no ebetina sidi nkomoni na no. It was geared towards letting people understand say maybe a twem na ntokwa e was Saudi Arabia any omontema won so mo close omo airspace.
Yes,
good. Any hobiem. But the Vision 2020 must end with a spectacular sporting festival, and that is the FIFA World Cup in 2030. Into 2018 and 2030 there. Mira, ebi wom for 12 years Saudi Arabia has decided to pursue a vigorous tourism campaign that would gear towards getting people out of their homes to overlook Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Doha, Mono, Saudi Arabia. And that's what they are doing. In terms of host World Cup, no. And a source no ekasa. You see, if you look at the framing, Hanneman Central Juman, Nipa Crow, yes, our story no. AFP, I'm gonna this story in the bio. AFP no call France or news agency, GNA or Ghana news agency no. You're from Agence France Presse. I'm gonna this story by Nipa Crow no me ham and inche mo. But look, Semina make sure our story now. Men Jukranya $800,000. Our story no. Are they? No, I want the pressure to Messi so. Onji deal into untem ni enko. Uko bisa PSG say omo say omo de omo ni comment. Okay? Asem no afa na muhumu ye. PSG for car no mo came about Messi. Wa ko Saudi Arabia man pene so no. It was political. I mentioned it here in passing the other political. Day. It was political. Wow. Political. Political. Omo hu say Saudi for na gene from nsem. So Timiko Boko pa America in 2024 we are. Ebeka 5 years. He will now serve as an ambassador. Okay. Going into 2026. Because I'm on a 2-year deal with an option for a 3rd year. Kweku, Oje, 500 to 600 million. Within that period. And Mohammed bin Salman no accelerated development program for the development of Saudi Arabia. Winning Saudi Arabia off its petrodollars economy. And then the tourism drive or the Abawakofa Oba Haifa bin Saud Edna Beka Ahmed El Khatib Hunso Amunye Sejumano and no normal line Messi and Okwi Sikadi or Bejibi or maybe a call Jeddah on a mano no mukra no maybe a Messi in the family no mamma mobi diane wakwa massa what Jessica today. Now whether you like it or not Saudi Arabia has seen say near Catalonia with Mbappe Neymar and Messi prior to the 2022 World Cup no, has given them mileage and they would want to benefit from that. I'm going to say you proxy Look, Mohammed bin Salman, he's 37 now. He's young, but he's very smart. 37 years. Very, very smart. Very, very smart.
SOMPA Sports.
37.
Yeah, I'm saying they tell you when you see it. Been salmon. Into the woman abano. No be at say. You see, baby, I drew no. Say you're born in there. See a beer pack no. Balate born ye pa. Manchester City also mo Real Madrid and Nana dream.
See a BMC born here also kum 100 for no Nana dream.
Because massa. But team na share say bibi no. What? Hey, omo like they actually playing to a pattern and a level. Like they are peaking. The quality of football omo. Nanso eduru sa stage we na. Mama watamu nyina free nsuo mbebobi.
Sa stage we.
Eduru sa stage we ya. Ne onye ye kra na wokoye.
Some phone abosofo nyina ba fi.
Ya baby ananum nyina edu na phone nyina e ba. Park no so abebobi. And it's something we would never forget. Mira, a semi-final.
SOMPA Sports.
Baku a derby. Anyway. Now, this is what is at stake. Tactically. SAR spaces. No, me catch your Michael. Between centre backs and the full backs. And they decide the game.
Game no. Spaces at that centre backs and the full back. And they decide the game.
How bit me exploit SAR spaces in here. On one side. Real Madrid are way too good with Vinicius' side. That will be on the left-hand side of Manchester City's defense. They are too good there. Right side, no, Rodrigo Andrews are level, no. But okay, Manchester City were at this level. Jack Grealish already.
Oh, there is all form power.
Good form here because now they say in the move.
Yeah.
But Mahrez ever form saying.
Yes.
Good. But the Mboni didn't it on. This is a game he would have to come to the fore. The Inter Americans are same way. Kwanya Kabahar, Eddie Luis Diaz fast in the final.
Okay.
When they are able to win the individual battles, the job is done.
Almost I don't back on.
You win your individual battle, your individual duel. You would also take care of ours. And then progressing the pass. Rudiger cannot progress the pass. Alaba can really progress the pass. Maybe Ojinabia. And we are another deficient way. And then controlling transitions. The whole idea of Messi. Mira, controlling transitions. No. Say you far counter now. Kwambe na befa so stopping. Rodri is a step ahead of anybody when it comes to covering ground and making that tactical foul. See, Real Madrid, Real Madrid say overly expansive. Omu be park no more passer. And then they are going to get Cruz a master of that.
Headmasters and all.
Oh, he's the they're going to get here now. You're born about Cruz is, and from my head, Liverpool and Chelsea matches no. Chelsea then especially. Almost say so. To me intercept tackle me out at this age. I don't know the situation with Modric, but that is where Bernardo Silva would have an edge. Say obi to me abo Modric Mbobia. Trameni wouldn't be so like Modric.
Yeah.
But say Modric na nebeboa. We are going to see a beautiful game. Kuku, stay in the game. Nyoma mi ensana be hunu na enwume. Obi be nya the chance no akobɔ na say o say na.
Na bi akɔhye.
Obi akɔhye ne de. The atmosphere and the occasion would overwhelm Obi. Last time I had Rafael Varane and no chair pass.
Mienu.
And I did share Real Madrid. This time around, who is going to be the fall guy? My hair by Munich and Manchester City no. 2 legs in the Mienu. The lack was too much.
SOMPA Sports.
But they were so lucky. Musiala ne de no. Go now Holland a share in the return leg no. But by Munich for no ball mudi twa mu a far ball na and you show. Look, one football club has made it a point. Said they will make nonsense of everything called for in this competition. Odrin one say.
Unim bosses and wish you no match what.
No, they make nonsense of form.
Say record wo ho e bi we no man tia to be a show.
Manchester City Asia Real Madrid in the semi-finals 2 times. You know more you almost was a competition. Guardiola Jebako, Pellegrini so Jebako. Look, it's painful. Say yes, Anna Junibia, there is nothing anybody can do.
Yes, Anna Junibia.
When you could clearly see Manchester City for never born by a show.
Game never decided now, say.
Oh, they be decided in the second leg.
Return leg.
I'm deciding in the just a good competition anymore.
Sigh. quality when I was a bus second leg in
Summer
Manzana.
yeah, will be.
Yeah, expect more goals, Anna.
Yeah, but both teams to score Real Madrid win.
Sir, Mate.